You say you be a human being, and this is your dark side, yeah. But that dark side, is it still there?
Because I really don't have an answer in that regard. I'm not sure.
I want to know if it's really how you feel, or maybe something led you to that.
How unfortunate. I'll just put it at that before I hear that I'm saying the wrong thing. No. I don't have an answer to that.
Ike, make I start from you. You be the weapon fashioned against this particular set. You been come ready.
Yes.
Tell me why. Who annoy you from outside? Because you came very, very ready. Came blazing with different things. Tell me why. That kind of ginger?
The ginger was there because I lost. That loss I took that last season just ginger me.
But did you really lose? You lose last season.
It's one winner take all now. I know win now.
But you follow for people where win now. You been there.
I better go. I know collect money.
Are you sure? You sure?
That was too much.
Sincerely, Ike, Messi no give you anything out of that money.
I know me win the money. This time I said I must win it.
So now why you decide to win now?
Yeah.
All right. So, but you can't be like say everybody can't be against you. You just now you against everybody, and you no mind.
I don't mind now. Winner take all. But it was part of the character. I wanted that character that somebody will remember. Mm-hmm. That's really what I wanted. Okay. Yeah. And truly, we'll truly remember. Even up until now, some people still they miss you inside the house. Yes. And of course, to you, Prince Nelson. When we not see you from the first graduate enter inside the house, we'll be here some gist. We'll be here. So Prince, they're very busy. Now why you no show up? And suddenly, boom, you showed up. But tell me, why it can't be like, say, you want to remain inside the house? You don't want to go when time reach to go?
Like you said,
yes.
Originally when I was supposed to be one of the original housemates,
yes,
I declined because I had a lot of things I was working at the time. But when the opportunity came and it coincided with time that I had freedom to come to the house, I took it up. But it was for a limited amount of time. It was for 2 weeks.
Yes, you've been no saying that for 2 weeks.
Yeah. The 4 of us that came in, the house guests were only supposed to be for 2 weeks. But there was an option to extend after the 2 weeks, but I opted for just the 2 weeks. I wanted only 2 weeks. But when you
sorry, sensitive mic, can you?
But when you prepare for something, you come into the house. I felt like I had achieved everything that I wanted to achieve, but I was comfortable. I was enjoying myself.
Yes.
And if you would want to stay a little bit.
Yes.
But I still have to pin myself and tell myself, were here for something.
Yeah, but that's staying for a little bit. Is it because of some people where you meet inside the house where you don't come to appreciate, and then say, I'm going to miss these people now, why I don't want to go at this time?
Yeah. I mean, I had friends inside of the house who are still in the house. I have people who I also met inside the house that I became friends with that I didn't think I was going to be friends with. So I was having a swell time, you get. And the thing about being in that house is you tend to some extent zone out from the real world.
Yes.
That place is a world of its own. You get, but no matter how long we stay in there, you have to come out and meet the real world.
Yes, so and here we are.
Yeah, I had a goal. I went in there. I felt like I had achieved the goal. So
yes,
it's time to
I come back to talk to you about Alex, but to talk to you about Alex, yeah. But Lucy, Marco, continue with you now. So when you be enter the house, a lot of people say yes, the energy is here. Lucy, they're here to give us the game, and then suddenly I felt so sad when I been see you. You actually want commot by yourself. Why? Wetin happen? Wetin? I know some certain things will happen, but tell me, wetin be the actual push for you? What make you decide say you want come out from this house?
I just felt like, well, I'm not here for the money. I'm just here for like the 2 weeks. So if there's just going to be stress on me, I might as well just leave now. Yeah, instead of stay and do something that might tarnish my brand.
Your brand.
I spent a lot of time building it. I don't want anything to mess with it.
Awesome. Yeah. So now why you decide say you want to come out, but so they convinced you at the end of the day. Here we are.
Things turned around, and I was glad I stayed.
All right, thank you so much, Seyi. Welcome on top the show.
Thank you very much.
Actually, on top the show, I be done day here when we've been discuss you, and then on I be talk, as I mentioned to myself, say if I be Seyi's wife, I'm going to actually ask for a divorce based on waiting you talk inside the house. But I be also been hear you be telling Venita that you been talk something, and that thing where you talk they very messed up. So I really want to understand from the first night where you said something that got everybody angry, and then you get to know about them, and then for you to explain to Venita, I want to make you tell me really. Were you drunk? Were you tipsy in any way?
Now this partner, I suppose to jump on top of that wagon, say, yes, I don't drunk, yes, I don't do this thing, but regardless, I still was not supposed to have said what I said.
Okay.
Regardless of it. It was my own dark thoughts I should have kept inside. Regardless of the fact that I become human being at that point in time. My emotions were out there, and I would like to believe that I'm a human being. Everybody else is a human being. I apologize for what I said, but I'm not going to apologize for being a human being. Because if everybody was perfect, then we are all gods. Everybody not God if we're perfect, but nobody's perfect. And for that imperfection, I mean, for the people that I hurt with that statement, to all the parents out there, I am sorry.
You really think there's some specific people you hurt, or you hurt everybody, both male and female?
It's everybody. That's why I say parents.
Okay.
Parents, you know, because to be a parent and to, you know, I'll say it's hurtful. So I apologize on that behalf. But at the same time, I am a human being. And there's nobody that cannot make mistakes.
But moving forward, do you still feel like that? You say you be a human being, and this is your dark side, yeah. But that dark side, is it still there? Is this what it's like an orientation? Is it
Auntie,
an
this
idea?
Your question now. She not set up. You try.
Not be set up. I
really don't have an answer in that regard. I'm not sure.
Okay, no. Listen, if you say you don't have an answer to it, I want to know if it's really how you feel, or maybe something led you to that.
Auntie.
I'm not sure. Auntie, my name is Cheche Smith.
In this regard,
I didn't call you uncle, I called you Seyi.
How unfortunate. I'll just put it at that before I hear that I'm saying the wrong thing. No. I don't have an answer to that.
So you don't feel like that?
Okay. How about we just say no comments and leave it there?
No, he could have said that. Okay. I'm not here. I'm not having a problem. When you came in here, I said hello, hi. There's no issue, and I told you exactly how I felt.
From somewhere that wanted my wife to divorce.
I said if I was your wife, I would tell you I would ask for a divorce, and it's simple.
The same way everybody have their perspective is the same way I have to have my
and I'm telling you exactly how I feel, and I expect you to actually. Nobody's having an issue with you. I gave a pleasant
response at the first time.
You can either say, "Okay, no, I don't want to answer," or "No," or maybe you could even.
I plead the fifth.
Okay, no problem, and we'll go. Ike, back to you. So I could talk about now. At some point in the house, you been mentioned, say you don't want to make Messi win this money.
That's how come.
Yes, you talk about that. I hear him now. I don't hear him.
No, I'm not sure now. You know, say that house you go forget many things.
No, why I dey here to remind you?
Okay,
Why? Is it that? Because I know I like when I get friendship and it's there and I saw it. It's not like you like her or something. Yeah. You understand? But why really? If she win am again, is there a problem?
No, I'm not Big Brother, but I didn't see a reason why where I get too much ginger, I not gonna win. A person like Messi or White Money will come and win twice.
Yes.
No, how now?
And then you get all the strategy to feel play, to feel plan, to feel do everything. Make we talk about besties in the house. Tell me, who will be the people where you go feel saying, well, give me two names.
That what?
Where be your besties in that house now?
Now,
yes,
still
presently, that's still inside. Yes.
That one's tough. Cause I like
both male and female.
Left. Oh, both male and female. Okay.
Yes.
Mashallah.
Okay.
Has to be one.
Okay.
Then, God, it's too tight between Venita and Cece.
Between Venita and Cece.
Yeah.
Awesome. So we'll count two of them as one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I like that.
Yes. Prince, we could talk about moving forward. Now we'll talk about things what we get to do, and of course, so many people, your fans, also get to know some of the plans. I hear you mention a record label somewhere.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
So that's actually.
And why actually? Who they sing inside your family? What's in video?
My younger brother.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I've always loved music as a child. You know,
okay.
Okay. I've always loved to listen to music.
Okay.
You know, but I don't necessarily. I can't. Right. I can't make music myself. So I decided if I can't do it, I can help.
When I support people, high five, please. Nice. So the record label don't start already.
Yes, we're already. So that was one of the things I was working on when the show originally started. That was why I said no, I don't want to come on the show, because for me it's a long time dream for me. It's something I've been harboring in my heart that I was doing. Okay. And even before the shows started being talked about and they started reaching out to us, I was already working on it.
Okay.
And I didn't want to abruptly cut it off, because for me it meant more than 120 million to me. So yeah, it's meant more than 120
you
million
dropped
to
it.
me.
Okay.
You get at the time. So I felt like I would rather work on this. If I'm successful with this, I can make multiple 120 millions.
Exactly.
So so my younger brother, yes, he's the artist. I have 2 artists. One is him, another is someone who is already prominent.
And you say you've been getting a surprise for us.
Yes, so that one is still going to be a surprise.
If you tell me off mic.
No.
All right, so the record label, the hair business.
Yeah, so the record label, the hair business. I'm also going into like movie productions as well.
Prince, you do all.
I mean, I want to get all this money. Why can't I be the next Studio Universal?
I like your connection with Alex, coming from outside the house already, right? And tell me, you feel like, say, your friendship with Alex been box you up in a particular place? You don't really get to experience other people. No, did you choose that?
No, I didn't think it boxed me up, to be honest, right? Because I had a lot of friends before I came into the house, right? I had almost everybody in that house. I had one particular, connection on the other. Yes. There was Mercy, there was Fraud, White Money, even Venita,
yes.
You know, Seyi, Ike, all of these people were my guys before I came into the house.
Yes.
But the thing is, even in all your friends, there are people who you are closer to than others. I believe I had known Alex before every other person in that house, because I knew Alex before even I went for Big Brother. Okay. Right? She was a friend to me and my sister, and we're friends with her siblings as well. So we go way back.
Way back.
And one of also the reasons why I came into the house, apart from coming to promote myself and the things I'm about, was because of her.
Yes.
Because the time when we were supposed to go into the house initially and I declined, she was really sad.
Say you know Grigo.
And she made me promise that if at any point that Biggie ever reached out to me to say, "Oh, come to the house," even if it's to say hello, I should please accept.
Nice.
So, and then I saw.
But you miss her now.
Yeah. I saw she was going through a lot, so I came to cheer her up.
All right, let's say back to you, darling. We could talk about the brand. We could talk about the business going forward. We could talk about every single thing. Where you be no one spoil inside the house because of the bad energy.
I dare not. Okay, so I have a unisex salon now, that Lucy's Grooming Bar, that is fully running, and then I have my grill business, which I hope to expand on. And then I do movies, and I own my grilling show, still some partnerships of some sort. And then I'm, we're working with a clothing brand soon that we're launching soon.
Yes.
But it's already up and running, and the outfits, I wore some of them in the house. Yeah. So there's that also going on. And then my YouTube content, I'm going to take more seriously now. And the influencing gig stuff that is already a whole lot. And then modeling, I'm open to those. So yeah, cooking shows, whatever it is, like work, just sign me up.
Now the people where they watch the show got a very hard time right now trying to decide who actually, before now, within the 4 weeks 5 weeks into the show, people already know who they look up to where go win the show. Now people are having such a hard time.
Yeah, that's how the show is supposed to be, right? I mean, it's an all stars. Everyone
you like the feel now.
Yeah, no, I loved every single person in that house. Like everybody is unique. There's like, and I like the fact that every time you feel, oh, this person is a strong one, that person goes out.
Yes.
And this one is a strong one, that person goes out. And you're like, wait, what? The people in the house are confused.
It's really
outside,
messing with people on the inside.
Yes.
Like it.
People inside,
that was when Kid was leaving, so everybody was on edge. Like,
so there's this organization. Like,
yes, they don't know, you don't know, everybody.
So anybody will feel go anytime.
Yes.
But you can tell me. I know you like to keep it straight. Tell me who you think say go win for this year.
Man, I'm hoping CC. That would be nice.
Why are you hoping CC? Is she giving the game?
Yeah.
From your own point of view.
Yeah, you guys know the kind of game I like. Now, what did she
Chaos.
Chaos. The weapon fashion against all of us. Okay, and of course, I don't know why Seyi dey away from my mic. I don't know. Seyi, please get back to my mic. Mo could talk now. So
possibly
tell me.
A woman that will win.
Possibly a woman. Why? Why you talk? Seyi say a woman go win who?
I don't know.
Why you mention a woman?
Because women are clearly playing the game better now. I mean, like, see all the men, they don't eliminate all the men. They go.
I think the women are really playing a smart game, especially with the way that they're going about nominations, the way they're going about,
Give me 2 names.
So there's Ilebaye.
Say I sincerely I don't want to mention by
there's Ilebaye.
On purpose.
There's Mercy. There's Alex. I think there's Angel is also playing the game with Mercy.
Okay.
There's this hide and seek game that when they want to play they leave they go and connive, they come, they'll drop it, and they'll sit down.
So partnerships they happen, and people they decide.
You get the deal. So they are deciding and making the housemates do their bidding to some great extent. So they're really playing the game.
But I like when una come inside the house, una being upset them a bit, and they don't really understand. I'm not sure you think
because because I realized that Angel and Mercy actually put me up. So I said to God, I'm like, nice, because that means
it be a competition.
Yeah, because that's how I felt. I'm like, I wish I could just open people's minds and just see what they were thinking when I walked in. Like,
all right, Seyi could talk to you about the friendship, the bond for people where you never know before, where you never meet before, where you just meet inside the house now, and you feel like this can go far.
Well, I mean, possibly everybody. Depends on the kind of energies they bring forward. There's nobody I don't think I can hang around. I can hang around almost anybody, but it depends on how they feel coming out the show, if they would like to be friends. Because from all the previous seasons, I think I've been able to be friends with a whole lot of people from across seasons, even before mine, up until the very last one. Adekunle being the last person, So it depends on how they, their own manner of approach is be matched.
I'm sure you've noticed also, say your friend, like you mentioned friendship now, your friendship actually kept you like
in the house.
You've noticed that?
Well, from everything I've been told, because I really have not even.
Okay, you've not. Yeah, some of them actually clearly, some of the judges, they actually clearly said, based on 1 or 2 or 3 things where you don't do for them.
Well,
all right. So now wrapping up, and I never talked to you about going forward, the businesses, the things you need to do, and different things. Maybe say you get planned down. The fans never hear.
Well, I'm still a huge person to the. I'm still a huge fan of the silver screen, movies, production. Yes, I really do hope I can be able to get my production off the road, because I mean, using a money be production, and hopefully I'm able to galvanize enough support for that, and then let's see how good that works out. But at the same time, really being hopeful, I get brand gigs that are tailored to me, and a whole lot more opportunities. I'm just being very hopeful.
All right, and of course now your big brother Niger All Stars people in the building, and I would like to just hear one name, please. Who is winning for this season? Prince Nelson, give me one name, please, not 2, just one name.
Alex.
Ike.
Man, they're all winners.
No, Ike, give me one name. You must select one person here.
It's too tight now.
No. No matter how tight, just find one name. Give me.
I can't. Cici Baye.
Really?
Share it to you. Who?
I'll say Soma.
I want Perry to win.
You want Perry to win? Why, please?
You didn't ask every other person why. Why is it my own? You're asking me why?
No. Why?
Business partner.
I know where I'm going to. Why?
I don't know. I feel like it's to pepper people, and it's. I
mean, pepper people.
I mean, that would be. I feel like it's you go enter like very well for some people, and then it's like you didn't see that coming, and like boom. Oh, that would.
I didn't say that. I don't say it will happen. Where the fans go vote from?
Hey, you don't have fans.
It does, but we are watching. We'll see it.
I'm just saying what I wish now.
Yes, but thank you. I really miss Ike. Ike is the real content. They are sending love to you. Prince Nelson, now come to your. Sorry, okay. I think he's trying to mention your salon or something. Please tell Prince that Mrs. Alex is alone. Aww. I love Lucy so much. She's pretty. Yeah, she knows. She knows. So where do people go follow your social media platform? Lucy, you mentioned something about YouTube. Tell them more where to hang up.
I mean, all you have to do is search for my name, Lucy Edet. And so on Instagram, you have I am Lucy Edet. Every other place is. I still leave it at the same way, so you don't have to even stress. So all of them, TikToks, Thread, X, all of them is the same. I am Lucy Edet. Then my grill, Luciana's grill, Lucy's grooming bar. Just they put the Lucy, they go. Or if you even go to my main page, you see the links to all those pages from there. So
all right,
yes, which is I am Lucy Edet.
All right, show it to you.
Mine is at official Seyi Awolowo all around.
All right, Ike, to you.
I am _ Ike Onyema.
All right, I am understand. He's not calm. Don't mind him. Nelson.
Mine is Prince Nelson and Warrior across all social media, except for Twitter. That's Prince N and Warrior on Twitter.
All right.
Then my salon is Hairline Royale.
Of course, we know it. All right, Lagos. Now that much go fit take from them with a run up on top of this, but the next you see us in pictures and every other thing. And they come back, the name is still Churches Smith. Okay, Madam Show.
Chook mouth.